What's up, guys? If you're looking for control over the sound of your audio system, you want to be able to manipulate time alignment and balance and fade and all these things, individual drivers, EQ'd, all the things that you want to be able to do, set your crossover points and everything, control your audio system. The best way to do that is with a digital signal processor. Now, a lot of digital signal processors out there, what you also call DSP, are expensive, like pricey. Like this one from Audio Dynamics. This is my old unit. And this guy here will do 4 channels in and 6 channels out. And it has the ability to do Bluetooth with this thing right here. You plug it in, but this is an extra charge, and this thing is not cheap. That's about $500 worth of stuff right there. So how do you do this without spending a ton of money? Let me show you. There we go. So over here, we have the B2 Audio 4-volt 10-channel DSP with Bluetooth, Android, iOS, or Android app, 96 kilohertz, 32-bit. This is a really, really good little processor. We'll have a look at some of the features this guy has. So you got 6 channels in and 10 channels out. That's why it's called the 610. And you can see there's clip lights up here or limiter lights up here. That shows you when the limiter's functioning. Pretty cool. There's your wired ins and outs right here. So you can just plug them straight in, but you can also use a Bluetooth input. That's what this antenna is for. So you can use a Bluetooth input into this. You could use your phone to connect directly to this DSP. You could also use an Android tablet or an Apple tablet or any other kind of tablet or phone to connect to this and be able to use that to send the music to your stereo system. You wouldn't even need to use your stereo system if you do that. On the same note, you can also connect your stereo system to the inputs over here and the outputs over here and control everything in between. The best part about this thing is it's $154.95. Guys, if you use my discount code CAE, you can save even more money off of that. So you head over to Big Jeff and pick one of these guys up, and you'll be in good shape. Let's have a look at some of the specs down here. Let me find them real quick. They're down here somewhere. All right, so as I said, it's a 6-channel in, 10-channel out processor. You can also wirelessly control it with Bluetooth, so you can connect to it via an app and make all the adjustments you need to make, but you can also use that same Bluetooth connection to play music through the system. So each of these 10 channels output give you a 4-volt signal. That's nice. 4 volts is a good high amount of power to go out to your amplifiers, and it'll work with any of the amplifiers out there on the market, even tar amps and all those, which seem to be a little bit sketchy about how much power they'll let you put into them. Well, this little dude right here is within the perimeters of those amplifiers as well. So you can use this on any amplifier to give you all kinds of control over your system. 10 volt or 10 output at 4 volts. There's a couple other things I know I want to look for here and I want to tell you about. One is the voltage. It operates with 9.5 to 15 volts DC. And that's important because that means that whenever you use the stop-start technology in a vehicle and your vehicle comes to a stop at a stop sign and then you take off, when the battery drops, the voltage drops, this thing should continue to play because it's not going to turn off. The voltage you can run on is 9.5 volts to 15 volts. So it's going to be able to keep running while your vehicle is starting and taking off and at a stop sign. That's very cool. Being able to run at 15 volts also means that you're up there in that area where you can run the higher voltage systems for heavy-duty, hardcore SPL builds. The frequency cuts is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz, the normal 20 to 20 range. And it gives you Linkwitz Riley, Butterworth, and bezel crossover slopes. So that's good. And then you can attenuate from 6, 12, 18, 24, 36, or 48, which is awesome. That's the amount of power, the amount of sound that you're losing, over each octave. If you know what that means, then you know what it means. The equalizer, you get 8 parametric bands per channel. So that's a pretty good little equalizer to give you per channel. Each individual speaker can get its own equalizer. The limiter's got the limiter's cool. It's got a negative 53 to plus 6 dB limiter. And this also has an automatic function. So if you use the automatic function, it's going to give you a pretty good setup right off the bat. And what it basically does is it keeps any extremely high peaks of music from coming through the system. So if you've got an extremely loud portion of a song that comes up, it's going to cut that back some to keep it balanced with the rest of the music. This is important whenever you're playing stuff that's really loud and you don't want to blow up equipment. Having a limiter there will kind of self control. It'll self control the entire output going into those amplifiers. That's very cool. And of course, you can turn that off, but why would you? A limiter is awesome. And then you got the apps that you can get. So the apps to control this thing. And I'll show you those on the other site. They're not on Big Jeff's site. They are on V2 site. Let's see here what else we have here. It's pretty much everything. There's a whole lot to this little guy. It's a pretty powerful little DSP. And the best part is, like I said, it's $154. So guys, you can go over to B2's website, and you can pick this guy up at B2 Audio. You can also pick it up at Big Jeff. I would look and see which one had the best discount, the lowest cost. And then the download for the app is on B2 site. So let's pull that up real quick. Let me see here. So if we go over to B2 Audio USA, right now they're the same price, $154.95. And my coupon code will work on B2. It'll also work on Big Jeff's site. Either one, coupon code CAE will save you some money. There it is. So right down here, you have a download for iOS and a download for Android. You just hit that with your phone, download the app, and you'll be able to control everything with that. It's really, really cool. Very nice little piece of kit for a very good price. Hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, be sure and slam that subscribe button down there below, because we're always doing something cool. I want to try to give you guys good deals and find all the stuff that's going to make your life better, save you money, and give you the sound that you're looking for all at the same time. That's what we do here. Guys, peace.